Hello guys and welcome to VoloKin Project. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the brand new shiny Oppo Reno Z. Now in the UK market it retails for about £300. You can get it from Carphone Warehouse, but I got my unit from eGlobal Central for just £250. The difference is that I've got 8 gigs of RAM instead of just the 4 gigs of RAM from the UK market. But anyway, that's my personal preference. I know a lot of guys prefer the UK warranty, the 1-year UK warranty compared to the European 2-year warranty. But anyway, that's just me. Now, the exposure of this video is a little bit weird because the box itself is a little bit weird as well, guys. Check this out. I mean, I really love when manufacturers put some effort in designing the box, and check the colors of this particular box, guys. This is absolutely ridiculous for a phone box, and it's way taller than you expect it to be. At the back of the box, I really like the fact that they've put, this UK sticker over here, meaning that they swapped the charger inside. And if you can see a little bit over here, it says to be used in Singapore only, which again I really don't particularly care about. I'm gonna put this box on the sunlight here and you can see the gradient colors, guys. That's a very nice first impressions, when you got your brand new shiny phone. And now let's see what do we have in the box. Oppo Reno Z, I can imagine we've got an instruction manual over here, and I really like the material used for this cardboard over here, and again the gradient of colors over here, guys. Now this is the phone itself. So we've got the main specifications over here: 48 megapixel ultra night mode camera. Now, that's a little bit confusing because actually the camera is 12 megapixels and it's been interpolated to 48. How do I know? Well, Oppo has been doing that ever since the Oppo Find 7. Actually interpolating 48 megapixels, you've got a little bit more resolution out of the photo, a little bit more details, but it's not as good optimized as the 12 megapixel. But this is something that I'm gonna go into detail in my full camera comparison. Now, 32 megapixel selfie camera. This is big, guys. This is one of the best selfie cameras I've already tested because, I've already played around with the phone a little bit, so I cheated. Now, 4000 milliamp hours of battery, super VOOC charging, 8 gigabytes of RAM with 128 gigabytes of storage. Under the glass fingerprint reader, we've got face unlock as well, and most importantly, the Helio P90, MediaTek's flagship SoC, which is comparable to a Snapdragon 835, which I'm going to do a speed test against in one of the next videos. So let's just take this phone out of the sleeve, guys. And of course, I've already set it up. I'm going to show you my first impressions in a sec, but check the back of this phone, guys. This is absolutely ridiculous. Check the gradient color of this phone, purple to blue. I really love what Oppo did over here, as well as this small little pimple over here. When you lie your phone flat, it basically doesn't scratch the glass, but it lies down to this little guy over here. Very neat design. But I'm gonna leave the phone to the side and we're gonna continue exploring the box itself. Now, what is going on over here? We've got the UK charger. Okay, thank God, UK charger. And of course, we've got a case. This is nice. I'm gonna leave it aside. We've got a cable and some iPhone style headphones, which I'm really not a fan of. I might never take them out of the box, even for testing purposes. I don't particularly care, to be honest with you. And this is a case. Let's see what kind of case is that. Okay, nice little case. Let's slap it on the phone like that and see what we're getting, guys. Now you can still see the gradient color of this phone a little bit even through the case, although it is not exactly that visible. I really like the matte finish on that case, so it's sweet that they've actually added a case. Now we've got under the display fingerprint reader, which, let me see how it works, guys. Okay, not the fastest in the world, but definitely unlocks your phone quick enough. Check this out, and it's exactly where I expect it to be. Also, I've got face unlock. Let's try this one on. Okay, you don't you don't really see how fast this thing is, guys. You don't see the lock screen, it just goes straight away into your phone, although that is a setting you can actually tweak. And of course you've got a different lock screen wallpaper every time you unlock and lock your screen. I'm gonna see if it's better or if it's similar to the Oppo Find X, but I'm gonna have to tell you about that in my full review. Now let's just do a quick size comparison against some popular phones, guys, and let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do some extensive comparison videos or speed tests or whatever you want to see with this phone, really. Okay guys, and now a quick size comparison versus a few popular phones. The LG G7 comes to mind, which is pretty much about 250 quid at the moment, very comparable to the Oppo Reno Z. What other phone? The Huawei P Smart Z, the one with the cheap pop-up camera over here. The price is about 200. You can see that it's a little bit bigger. The Honor 8X, this one is pretty much the same size as this one. The price is about 200 pounds over here. And of course now I'm going to compare it with the big brother, the Oppo Find X. Check this out, guys. It's pretty much the same size as the Find X. And of course the Oppo Find 7a, the pioneer into the Oppo phones. Basically the OnePlus One was based on this particular phone, guys. So what's the deal with the Oppo Reno Z? If you didn't have the balls to buy the Oppo Find X, maybe this is the time to buy the Reno Z, simply because it's pretty much half the price. It has pretty much the same 1080p AMOLED screen and a higher resolution cameras. So maybe now is the time to pull the trigger on the Oppo devices. Of course, you shouldn't watch MKB HD in that particular case. But anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching my video. I have plenty of content about all of those phones pretty much coming down on my channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you managed to last that long into the video. Thank you very much for watching. And well, keep watching VoloKin Project, because there are not many legit, honest channels left on YouTube. Unfortunately, all of them turned into businessmen. So I'm doing this for my hobby alone. So yeah, thank you very much for watching again, and see you in the next video, guys. Adios.